Now, if you're still in your first year and you're going through your dissection, I would advise you, before you reach your dissection hall, at least try to read up your theory part, just that topic for the next day. Okay, it makes a big difference. Okay, and along with that, please use an atlas. I would prefer you to use, rather than an atlas which has the dissected areas, I would advise you to use an atlas which has a schematic representation, like your Netter's atlas or your Clement's atlas or any such atlases, because it will help you to get an overall idea what you are going to see. Okay, so whenever you open your anatomy textbook, please see to it that you have a diagram of what you are reading right beside you. That is the most important point when you are trying to learn anatomy. Always have a diagram beside you. Okay, it will help you to grasp what you are reading more fast. Second thing, never ever by heart things, especially things like your relations. Never by heart it. Okay, that again you'll use that diagram. Okay, you can by heart that diagram in your mind. Okay, and from the diagram you will get the relations rather than by hearting each and every sentence. Definitely there are many things that you will have to by heart, like the terminologies which you have never heard before. So you will need that, yes, but still overall please avoid by hearting anything in anatomy. Use the diagrams, and from the diagram try to write it down. Okay, there is no harm if you use your words. Okay, just that it shouldn't be grossly different from what is the meaning or the explanation given there. Okay, now the next thing that you have to do in anatomy is you have to use your paper and pen and draw, your pencil and draw. Okay, whatever diagrams that you're looking to learn a certain topic, always use your pencil and start drawing those diagrams, and also mainly the schematic diagrams. Okay, you will not have much time for your theory paper. In between that, each question, as much as possible, you can fill it up with diagrams which are relevant. Okay, the diagrams which are relevant, please draw it in the side, so you should be familiar with those diagrams. Okay, so draw the diagrams. The more you draw those diagrams, the more it will stay in your mind, the more the theory will come when you sit for writing the answer paper. Okay, so that is about the various things that you should remember while you're learning your anatomy.